Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Zach, and thank you so much for clicking this video. If you guys are not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'm really trying to hit 1,000 subscribers here pretty soon, so I'm getting close. So I'd greatly appreciate if you guys could subscribe. Also, if you guys want to stay up to date with this truck, I run an Instagram account. The handle is right here. And then also, please don't forget to like this video and comment down below what you guys think of this truck as well. So just to get started into things, today is the day that the truck gets fixed. If you guys didn't see my last video talking about what was wrong with the truck, go check it out. We're gonna go to the dealership to have it fixed under warranty. So without wasting any time, let's get this cold start ripping, and then we'll head down to the dealership. It's a nice drive, there's some nice country roads, so I'll try to put a little bit of a time lapse up so you guys can see the drive too. Let's get going. All right guys, I just got here, Solomon Auto. Can't see it there, Solomon Auto in Carmichaels, Pennsylvania. This is the dealership where I bought my TRX. This is where I'm going to get my CV boot fixed. If you guys come here, want to buy a car, go talk to Mike, he'll hook you up. He's who hooked me up. Also the GM, Boone Solomon. Huge shout out to Boone. Boone was able to get me in. First day, my CV is gonna get taken care of all in one day, which is great. I don't need to leave my truck here overnight. Sorry guys, there's noise, there's cars driving by, so. They got the truck back there now. They're gonna fix it, and hopefully we'll be back on the road soon. So fingers crossed, we'll be back in it, driving home in no time. Instead of just waiting around, I figured I'd show you guys around the lot. But you could see, since COVID, it's pretty empty. This place is usually completely full, especially that row is usually always full of pickup trucks. I came to see if there's any Hellcats, any Challengers, any Chargers. They don't seem like they have any on the lot, but let's go see if we can check out anything, find anything cool, anything nice while we're just waiting around. And of course, if you know me, you know I gotta gravitate towards the trucks. That's probably why I have a TRX, but these two heavy duties are calling my name. I kind of like this blue one with the night edition, the blacked out grill, the blacked out wheels. This red one's nice, but this blue one looks the best. Look at this truck. Sticker on this truck, you can see 72 grand, almost 73. It's a 3/4 ton Bighorn mega cab, which obviously is really nice. TRX and a mega cab. Could you guys think about what that would look like? That would be a huge truck. This wintertime though, dirty a little bit, dirty from behind. But yeah, this is a pretty truck. I kind of like this one. I want a Cummins one day. TRX is a really cool truck, but maybe one day I'll have a Cummins with the TRX. It'd be really nice to have a Cummins to tow the TRX to the sand dunes, and then I could fully build the TRX. Now that would be cool. And just in case, you know, I would break something, just a fully built truck. Oh, that'd be amazing. Think about that, a TRX, maybe twin turbos with the supercharger one day, fully built axles, maybe a little bit wider, custom fenders, fiberglass. Now that truck would be rowdy. You guys got to subscribe for that. This way, maybe we could be having that experience together. Let's see if this truck is unlocked. See inside. Oh no, it is locked, but you can see inside. It actually has the small radio screen. You guys can see that there. It's a pretty small radio screen. The clusters pretty much the same as the TRX. The gauges are obviously a little bit different. It says Ram up there instead of the TRX, but nice. Oh, it has cloth seats actually. Oh, this is a pretty truck though. I like this one. Sorry about that, guys. There's not really anything exciting on the lot. It's pretty dead, like I said, from COVID. So, you know, fingers crossed these microchip shortages, they end pretty quickly. This way they could start getting trucks again, getting cars again, and then the next time we stop by, if they have something cool, maybe we can even get to drive it. But make sure you come to Solomon's for all your car needs. They hooked me up great. They'll probably hook you up. And, you know, it's a good place to get your work done too, because the service department is amazing. Hey guys, look what I found. That's right. I found a brand new Wagoneer, baby. I like how they put that flag on the side. I like that. That looks good. What do you guys think about the interior Wagoneers though? They look really nice. I'd like to drive one day. They have a nice infotainment screen. You can see that there. It's nice and big. That dial in the middle also looks nice. I kind of, you know, sometimes you see things, you want to touch them. I want to touch that. The seats look beautiful. You can't really see in the back there, but yeah, this truck, or this SUV is nice. Wagoneer on the steering wheel there. This is a pretty one. This one's locked too. So unfortunately, I can't show you guys the inside of this either, but maybe one day we go to a dealership. Maybe we could try driving a Wagoneer or something one day, but this is a nice SUV. Now they said my truck's done. I'm walking back to the service department now. I want to show you guys my old CV axle if I can. I'm going to ask if I'm allowed to show it. So if you see it in this video, that means they let me show it. If not, I guess this is cut out. Here's that CV boot that was bad on my truck, guys. Look at it, it looks terrible. You can see it all is wound up. Normally this should flex really easily. You can't even move it. That's how bad this is. The boot was completely ripped. All the grease is completely out of this thing. But look, you can see how this works. There's ball bearings in here like I told you guys, and then there's actually a little knuckle inside there as well with the splines. So this is a CV axle. Like I said, this is the part that allows the wheel to articulate. This is the part that allows the wheel to turn. And man, on the way to the dealership today, this thing was really making noise. I mean, you guys should have heard it. And as soon as I'd come off the throttle, it would grab the steering wheel and it would yank it. It would just yeet. So interesting to see what the inside of this looks like after, you know, being bad and all the grease getting flung out. So they were able to get the truck all cleaned up with the grease and make it look brand new again. I'll show you what that looks like too. There's the new CV axle. If you guys remember from the last video, you saw all the grease and everything. It's nice, new, and it's black. There's not salt on it yet from the winter time. The control arm's all cleaned up, so this looks way better already. I'm happy that they were able to fix this so well and so quickly, same day. So it's very nice, and I'm happy to drive this truck again and be able to use it all winter. What's up, guys? We are right back where we started now. The truck is all fixed. It's all there. It's all nice and clean. They even gave me a free wash at Solomon, so that was really nice of them. Didn't really do much since it got dirty again on the way home, but always very thankful for that. So happy the truck's fixed, and I'm happy that it's all ready to go again, and I'm excited to drive it and make more content for you guys. So make sure you subscribe for that new content. I'm trying to make that 1,000 subscriber mark, like I said. And you know, I hope I see you guys in the next one. Peace out, and be safe, guys. Take care. All right, guys. First of all, thank you so much for staying this long in the video. I know it wasn't the most exciting video that I've posted, so I'm very thankful that you guys stayed this long, first off. Number two, I want to tell you about something that I've been brainstorming, I guess, for a little bit now, of what I want to end my videos with on like a normal basis. So I think that I'm going to start maybe giving like a keyword at the end of my videos, like at this time, or maybe like a hashtag or something, and then you post a comment with that keyword to this video of like, maybe like if this one was hashtag TRX, start your comment off with TRX, and then maybe something positive that happened to you that day or that week, or something positive you want to share, or if you want to ask me a question, pretty much anything. And then in the next video at the end, I'll pick a random comment or something positive that you guys post, and we can talk about it, or I'll answer a question or whatever. But I just want to start spreading that positivity out. You know, I want this to be a nice place that you guys come watch my videos and enjoy it. And I just want us all to have a good time. So we'll start with this one. I guess we'll just start with hashtag TRX. That's a good first one to start with. So start your comment off with that, and then just anything positive that happened to you today or this week, or like I said, anything you want to share. And you know, stay to the end of the next video, and then you might see your comment come up or your topic, and we'll just keep going from there, guys. All right, so like I said, thanks so much for watching, and I really hope to see you guys in the next one. Subscribe if you haven't already, like and comment, share this video if you want. Thanks, guys. Peace out and be safe.